Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the world is, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could do. Thanks to you, teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions. When I'm in love with the one.
Kanta tayo. 1K, kakanta lang.
Depende sa gusto ni Lito Papon magbigay.
Ano may favorite mo?
No doubts and no